This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game version and enabling any inspect or debug modes that reveal hidden assets. This matters because the trim only appears under a specific patch. Next, open your inventory and the armor customization pane to locate the trim slot. Make sure to clear extra filters so the item list is complete. Once done, track recent quest rewards and workshop recipes that unlock trim components. These are the essential first actions that lead directly to the item. You now hunt the precise sources. Prioritize the monster or mission that lists the Snout armor trim as a drop and set farming routes accordingly. Repeatable nodes increase your chances. Simultaneously, check vendors, timed events, and special reward caches because trims sometimes appear there only. If available, open the item database or config to verify the component ID and spawn conditions. Knowing the exact ID lets you filter loot and confirm success faster, reducing wasted runs and time. You finish by crafting and attaching the Snout armor trim. Combine the required components at the workshop, confirm the trim's compatibility with your helm, and then apply it in the customization screen. Save an outfit or loadout preset so you can re-equip quickly. If the trim doesn't appear, try the key troubleshooting step. Clear the game cache and relog, then verify files or reinstall the asset pack. This fixes most missing item syncs and ensures the trim shows up as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.